Hello and good evening, everyone. Welcome to my video blog for this evening. I am going to be talking about ZCash. Someone earlier had asked me about ZCash, and I said that once I did some study and some research on it, that I'd talk about it in my video blog. So I'm going to do that tonight. I do want to issue a disclaimer, though, that says this: that when it comes to making financial decisions, make sure to always do your own due diligence and contact your financial advisor on such matters. But having said that, I will give you my personal opinions, and you can take them as such. These are just my views that I'm expressing based upon my own personal study. But before we get into Zcash, I do want to just quickly address the market situation. The cryptocurrency market is down a bit. It's come off its lows, though, and this is to be expected. There were rumors flying all over the place as to why the markets were down. I mean, there was even a rumor that was baseless and unsubstantiated that Vitalik, the co-founder of Ethereum, had been killed in a car crash, which was totally untrue, and he's fine. But that's how rumors get started. But in more of a realistic sense, I think that some of this market downtrend, at least recently, has to do with some things that have happened this week. The flash crash with Ethereum on Coinbase, some also scalability concerns with Ethereum, and these ICOs that have come out that have sort of made the system a little bit sluggish, if you will. So there's a lot of reasons why, but I personally see when a market is to the downside that it can be a great buying opportunity. I wished I had a bunch of Bitcoins to be able to take advantage of such buying opportunities, but anyways, that's that. But let's talk about Zcash. Zcash is similar to Monero in that it offers privacy to the user. I mean, cryptocurrencies in general offer privacy way beyond the traditional fiat system. We know that, but now they're stepping it up a bit. I mean, this is not just, as I said, new cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin with a new branding on there. I mean, they actually offer something that's unique. And like with Monero, how it offers an added layer of protection, encryption, if you want to call it that, through its ring signatures, Zcash offers something as well. And we'll talk about that. But as far as how it's trading as of the time of this recording at around $323 per coin, US dollars per coin. It's got about $500 million in market capitalization. The volume today, about 23 million or so. And what's interesting is that there's only 1.5 million coins, approximately. That's a very low number when you compare it to Bitcoin or even Dash. I mean, Dash has like 7 million coins, so this is quite low. There is some advantages to it. When capital flows into it, that can really affect the price to the upward side. At the same time, it can also, when they're selling or panic selling, it can affect the price pretty dramatically as well. That's with any coin that has a lower supply. So it's done well, and I think that the privacy features is a big part of that. So let's talk about that. They use a technology called zero knowledge proofs. Some talk about refer to this as ZK Snarks. What a name! But anyways, it's cutting edge, and they're able to the prover is able to say to the verifier on the blockchain that it has information, but it is not revealing what that information is, but that it has an information, conveys that to the verifier that it at least has the information, and they're able to make a confirmation. So Zcash has its own runs on its own blockchain, and they're able to do these private transactions publicly. I mean, that's pretty amazing how this works. And if you just look at their website, talking about better blockchain technology, and fungible cryptocurrency, enabling new applications, upholding confidentiality, and I think that this is quite impressive. And it says here, in order to on their website, In order to remain equally interchangeable, units of cryptocurrency must be unlinked from their history so that one unit is as good as any other unit. ZCash brings fungibility to cryptocurrency by unlinking shielded coins from their history on the blockchain. So quite impressive. And again, the ability to enable new applications and to uphold confidentiality, which is a big thing when it comes to those who really want that and seek that. The libertarian-minded users, those who just value privacy, and that's their right to have that, and it truly is. So I'm not here to endorse ZCash or say, hey, you need to go buy ZCash. But what I really want to do is just to tell you that it's unique. It has and offers things that other cryptocurrencies don't. But we're seeing that a lot now, how each one has its own specific technology that it can offer. So it's very interesting. It's number 13 based upon the listing on coincap.io. So we'll see. We'll see where it goes from here. But I just wanted to talk about it, as all these coins are so very interesting, and the technologies that they're developing. Some truly brilliant people, and from what I've heard, ZCash has some really brilliant folks on their dev team, scientists, just all kinds of just knowledgeable people. It's pretty incredible. Well, anyways, that's my video blog for tonight. Thanks so much for tuning in. I do appreciate your support, your upvotes, re-steams, your comments. So feel free to leave them. And don't forget, you can follow me at Breaking Tonight. Have a good one, my friends. We'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.